In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom ClickUp dashboards. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to the dashboard area. Start with a blank canvas and add the cards that matter most to your team. Start by opening ClickUp and looking to the left sidebar where your main navigation lives. If you don't immediately see what you need, click the More option to reveal additional tools. From there, choose Dashboards to enter the space where all your reporting and high-level views live. This is your hub for tracking workload, project health, and progress in one place. To build something truly tailored, select Start from Scratch. This avoids templates and gives you full control over what appears. You'll see setup choices that help define the scope of your dashboard. Use the chooser to specify the area of your workspace you want to report on, like a specific space, folder, or list. Then move to the custom option so you're not tied to a predefined layout. Select Custom, review the options it enables, and click it to confirm. Think of this as creating a blank canvas that pulls from exactly the data you need, nothing more. Now it's time to add content. Click Add Card to place your first widget. Cards are the building blocks of a dashboard, things like task lists, charts, time tracking, or workload views. After you add one, click Add Card again to bring in another data point. A great rule of thumb is to start with one performance indicator, one pipeline or status view, and one workload snapshot, then iterate. In the card picker, head into the custom section to find widgets you can tailor deeply with filters, fields, and date ranges. Choose the card you want, click it to open its settings, and confirm. Finally, hit Add Card to place it on the canvas. As you configure each card, use filters to keep the data focused, such as limiting by status, assignee, or due date. Align date ranges across cards so your totals and charts tell a consistent story. Name your cards clearly so teammates can scan and understand at a glance. Once cards are on the board, you can drag to rearrange and resize them to highlight your most important metrics near the top. If something doesn't look right, adjust the filter rather than recreating the card. It's faster and keeps your layout intact. That's it. Navigate to Dashboards, start from scratch, choose Custom, and add the cards that answer the questions your team asks most. Build once, then refine until it's the perfect command center for your work.